And then quick demonstration of the login area. So let's click on that. All right. So let's take you to the database first, just to give you a sense of all right. All right. So this is a database. We have a database called right here called lifespan, and we have directors and the files. So we have populate just for testing purposes. We have the files, two files, and we have like two directors set up pretty much so far. All right, so that gives you a sense of what's going on. All right, so I'm going to log in with one of the data in the database. So I log in. So of course, the logic tells you're logged in, and it says congratulations. Those messages can change to whatever. You have a logback out and the dashboard. So we have a dashboard that takes you to the file dashboard, which has a top area, which has um, form for you to upload file. You get also a message telling you whatever your username is that you're logged in or welcome. You can update your profile, or you can log back out. You can also view the files and see what files are there and so on. So just to quickly demonstrate, I have two files, but let me quickly add a file. If you try to add a file, you're gonna get an error without entering anything. So let's quickly demonstrate an upload. So I'm gonna call this file new file, and let's say audit committee browse. I'm just gonna use this term sheet somebody sent me, and click upload. Just note that so far I've set the upload limits to Word document, Excel, and PNG files. So any other file beside I try to upload, you're also going to get an error message just to highlight that as well. So I'm going to click upload. So the page normally refreshes, and that file is added to the database, and it now shows here. And if I need to click on it, definitely open there. All right. All right, so actually need to set this to open to a new blank window actually. All right, because I'm double submitting, so it had two files behind each other pretty much. But just to demonstrate, yeah, files uploaded. All right, so I can also delete. I'm just going to delete back one of these right now. All right, get a message and file deleted successfully. All right, and this other area is update profile. This area is also important because we're not being able to make user to log out because this is not available to the public. It's just a secret area for directors. So what we'll be doing is manually adding directors to the database. But in adding directors to the database, of course, we don't want to compromise by providing them with we'll be giving them a basic password, but they can be able to go in and then change their own password. So that also is available where they can update their information here, and so that area is provided. So if I change any of this, it updates the database as well. So email, password, everything can be updated right from there. But you won't be able to do it unless you get a password set up initially at first. All right. Um, so that's pretty much does it for I call it the dashboard area for directors. That's my own terminology. All right. So you could log back out and it says you're now logged out. See you next time. You could click by the live one or go back to the dashboard. If you click login, you go to the dashboard. You will go here, but it's saying that you're not logged in. So this just refreshes, but you can be able to upload because you're not logged in right now. So that's pretty much it. All right, so that does it for the login area as it relates to the directors. Just to give you a sense, one of the challenges with working with this backend database type of thing. It's very difficult to be portal because as soon as we're ready to upload, we have to set up these database in on the server actually. So for the demo that you see right now on my website, it's just too much to be setting up different portals, different password and keys just to make the database work. So I mean, I figure like the best demonstration for this right now would be to do what we call a screencast, which is commonplace now. So there you have it. Some feedbacks. I sent you a mail earlier today as well. So pretty much expect a feedback from that as well. But let me know what you think about the login and so on, or if there's any other features that you want so far that not discussed or not or overlooked, etc. That type of thing. All right.